Keon, don't you shower with these?
Yeah.
What the problem is? All right, we're here at Sup Dogs making burgers. All right, hey, you're gonna have to get out of here, bro. You can't eat all the food before we serve it. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh, dude. Put that shit. Third try.
Look at that.
Hey, shut your bitch ass up, bro. Who the fuck are you? Bro, you look like a cook, bro.
Bro, damn. You suck at cooking.
Hey, throw it up. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Fuck!